Hello everyone, and welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are all doing well and staying safe. So in this video today, I'll be showing you guys our next coding project, which we'll be building in a couple days. So this video is just a little preview to keep you guys updated on what we'll be building next. So what we have here is this quadratic solver, where you can just enter in the A, B, and C value, and it will tell you all the necessary information needed. And this is actually going to be very helpful for math class, and I'm going to show you why in a second. So let's say we had the equation 2x squared plus 2x and then plus 2. And then if we hit calculate, it's going to give us all this information. And if I zoom in, you'll see it'll tell us where the vertex is located and the point below the vertex, the point that is 2 above the vertex, and so on. And it tells us that we don't have any real solutions, meaning that we're dealing with imaginary numbers here. So that just means we're taking the square root of a negative number, which is why it says right here, no real solutions. And it also gives us the equation in which we inputted our values, which was 2, 2, and 2. So if I were to copy this and then paste into Desmos, so I'm just going to use the function f of x, paste it like that. And if we check to see where our vertex is on Desmos, you'll see that it matches what we have here on the project. So as you can see, it's quite accurate. And just to prove it to you, let's take a look at this point here, negative 1.5 and 3.5, and see if it matches on Desmos. So if we go to 1.5, as you can see, it matches. So once again, this calculator is quite accurate, and it can calculate any large number that you type into it. So I can just enter in some random junk like this, and it will give me the exact answer. However, sometimes there might be a long trail of decimal numbers, so it's just going to round down to 2 places. But I can show you guys how to restrict it down to as many decimal places as you'd like. But in this case, rounding to the hundredths place is good enough. But there's certain situations where you'll need more, because accuracy will matter in those times. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this project, and other than that, have a nice day and stay tuned for the tutorial, which will be coming out very soon.